I'm Tyler with the Furniture Mall. I'm a visual storyteller. I've been doing this for 6 years now and helped hundreds of guests. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to measure your space. Whether you're doing a home renovation, rearranging your furniture, or just shopping for some new decor, measurements are key. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the tools that you will need and the techniques to use in order to get the measurements for your project and to help avoid costly mistakes. When measuring your space, you're going to need some tools to do so. The tools needed to measure a room is a measuring tape. Measuring tape is an essential tool for measuring the dimension of a room, measuring length, width, and room height. A pen and or pencil. Graph paper. This allows you to keep track of the measurements and easily refer back to them later and sketch out your space. In step 1, you will need to measure the length, width, and height of your space. Step 2 would be to note any obstructions, such as fireplace, air vents, floor outlets, built-ins, light fixtures, or any fixed obstructions. Step 3 would be to measure any existing furniture pieces you would like to keep in your space, and be sure to jot them down on your graph paper. Step 4 of the process, you will need to measure other features of the room, such as staircases, hallways, door openings, windows, outlets, and even TV mounts. And step 5, my personal favorite, to take all the pictures you can of your space to bring back to your home solution specialist. So if you followed all these steps, you should have all the dimensions for your space. Now what? The fun begins. You're going to bring your sketch and all these pictures back into the store to work with your home solution specialist so you and them can pick out the perfect piece of furniture for your space. Hey, at the end of the day, if this is just an overwhelming process, we do have a complimentary in-home design process that will come out and do all of the work for you. Now you should have everything you need so you can shop with confidence. Oh yeah!